Okay, hi everybody. In this video, I'm gonna talk about solve one-step equations. So to solve one-step equation, we need to understand addition property, subtraction property, multiplication, and divide. So first of all, what is addition? If you see this sign, it means this is addition, or you call it plus. Now, what is subtraction? This sign stands for subtraction, or you say minus. Next we have what is multiplication. This sign stands for multiplication, or you say product. Or there's one more word you call times. If you see this sign, it stands for divide. What does it stand for? Divide. Or you sometimes you say 5 over 6. This also means divide. 5 divided by 6, or 5 over 6. Okay, now let's take an example how we can solve one-step equations. So for example, if you have x plus 2 is equal 4, how will you solve such questions? So in this one, this is okay. Let me just, because this is an addition, so let me take another example. Let me, yeah, x minus 2 is equal 4. So how we will solve this? Because this is minus, so you will do plus 2 both sides, right? And this is negative 2 plus 2 is 0. So x is equal 4 plus 2 is 6. This is method number 1. Also, you can check how you will get 4 from this equation. How you will get 4 from this equation. So if you do 6 minus 2, then it is equal 4. So your x is equal 6. Your answer is x equal 6. Let's take another example here. Now one step subtraction. So if you have x plus 2 is equal 4. Now see the difference here. What is the difference? The difference is here it was minus 2. Now it is plus 2. If it is plus 2, what should I do? To remove it, I do minus 2. So 4 minus 2 is how much? X is equal 4 minus 2, 2. You can also check it from here. What should I do here to get 4? 2 plus 2 is equal 4. So we can cross check that we are getting the right answer. Now let's try one more question. So if you have 2x divide 2 is equal 4. Okay, sorry, x divide 2 is equal 4. Now how will I solve this? If you have divide, then you will do multiply. What you will do? Multiply. 2 multiply both sides. When you see this formation, you cancel this, because 2 divide 2 is 1. So x is equal 4 multiply 2 is 8. You can also check from your question that 8 divide 2 is how much? 8 divide 2 is 4. So you can check this way also. Now the last we have divide. So to use the divide, you should have a multiplication equation. So for example, if you have 2x is equal 4. Now if you have multiply, then what you will do? You will divide. And when you divide, 2 divide 2 is 1. So it's cancelled out. X is equal 4 divide 2 is 2. That's your answer. So I hope you understood the concept now. Let's quickly try a few more questions. Now, let's say x plus 3 is equal 6. What you will do? Minus 3 both sides. X is equal 6 minus 3, 9. If you have x minus 3 is equal 6, what you will do? Plus 3 both sides. So x is equal 6 plus 3, 9. Next we have 3x equals 6. What you will do? divide and x is equal 2. 6 divided 3 is 2. Similarly, let's try a few more questions. Now, if you have x plus 4 is equal 10, what you will do? Minus 4 both sides. X is equal 6. If you have x minus 4 is equal 10, then what you will do? Plus 4. So what we are doing here, opposite. If it is plus, minus. Minus, then plus. If it is divide, then multiply. If it is multiply, then divide. So all the opposite operation, right? So in this question here, let's cancel. X is equal 40. 10 plus 4 is 40. Now let's try one more. X divide 4 is equal 10. So now you do it by yourself and see what you can do with this question. And let me write one more question for you. 4x is equal 10. So try these two questions and check if you can get the right answer. Good luck.